Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Imagine trying to describe delicious food or cloudy weather or a smart friend without using adjectives. Pretty difficult, right? That's where adjectives come into play. They help you describe people, places, food, feelings, weather, and so much more in Korean. So, in this third part of our Korean adjective series, we are going to learn 20 more essential Korean adjectives that are commonly used in everyday conversations. And for each adjective, we learn its modifier form and the informal present tense form. These two forms you'll hear or you'll encounter most often while having a real Korean conversation. You'll also learn easy example sentences to help you understand the meaning and usage naturally, making it easier to remember these adjectives and use them confidently in your own Korean conversations. Okay? So, if you have not watched the previous two parts of this video series, then I suggest you to go and watch those videos because it will only enhance your Korean adjective vocabulary in one of the most amazing ways. I'll share the link of this playlist on Korean adjectives in the description, so you don't have to waste your time in finding all the videos. Now, let's continue expanding your Korean vocabulary with 20 more must-know Korean adjectives. So here comes the first one. To be near, 가깝다, 가깝다. Its modifier form is 가까운 and its informal present tense conjugated form is 가까워요. Okay? So these are the two most commonly used forms of an adjective in real Korean conversations, in our daily life conversations. Okay? If you don't know how this modifier form of adjective works, then I've already made a video on this topic, so I'll share the link in the description. Also, if you don't know the concept of conjugation of Korean adjectives, then again, I'll share the link of the playlist in the description of this video in which I have explained the conjugation of Korean adjectives in detail. Okay, let's take a look at the example. 저의 삼촌의 집은 가까워요. My uncle's house is near. Here you can see this is a very simple, very easy example, and my motive over here is to tell you all how we can use an adjective in a sentence. Okay? Don't focus on the grammatical part. I have used very simple example sentences throughout the video because my focus is not on learning the grammar but how to use adjectives in a sentence. Now comes the second one. To be delicious. 맛있다. 맛있다. 맛있는 맛있어요. 이 떡볶이는 정말 맛있어요. This tteokbokki is really delicious. Simple? To be clear. 맑다. 맑다. 맑은 맑아요. 오늘 하늘이 맑아요. The sky is clear today. To be cloudy. 흐리다. 흐리다. 흐린 흐려요. 오늘 날씨가 흐려요. Weather is cloudy today. To be possible. 가능하다. 가능하다. 가능한 가능해요. 내일 가능해요. It is possible tomorrow. To be impossible. 불가능하다. 불가능하다. 불가능한 불가능해요. 지금은 불가능해요. It's impossible right now. To be noisy. 시끄럽다. 시끄럽다. 시끄러운, 시끄러워요. 시장은 시끄러워요. The market is noisy. To be quiet. 조용하다. 조용하다. 조용한, 조용해요. 도서관은 조용해요. The library is quiet. To be blue. 파랗다. 파랗다. 파란, 파래요. 제 눈이 파래요. My eyes are blue. To be sour. 시다. 시다. 신, 쉬어요. 이 김치는 너무 쉬어요. This kimchi is too sour. To be easy. 쉽다. 쉽다. 쉬운, 쉬워요. 이 문제는 쉬워요. This problem is easy. To be difficult. 어렵다. 어렵다. 어려운, 어려워요. 물리학은 너무 어려워요. Physics is too difficult. To be healthy. 건강하다. 건강하다. 건강한, 건강해요. 제 엄마는 건강해요. My mom is healthy. To be smart. 똑똑하다. 똑똑하다. 똑똑한, 똑똑해요. 제 누나는 너무 똑똑해요. My sister is very smart. To be sleepy. 졸리다. 졸리다. 졸린, 졸려요. 할머니는 지금 아주 졸려요. Grandmom is very sleepy right now. To be safe. 안전하다. 안전하다. 안전한, 안전해요. 이 동네는 안전해요. This neighborhood is safe. To be black. 까맣다. 까맣다. 까만, 까매요. 언니는 까만 드레스를 입었어요. My sister wore a black dress. Here you can see I have used the modifier form of the adjective. Black dress. 까만 드레스. Okay? To be lonely. 외롭다. 외롭다. 외로운, 외로워요. 저 아이는 외로워요. That child is lonely. To be ugly. 못생기다. 못생기다. 못생긴, 못생겨요. 그 여자는 너무 못생겨요. That woman is very ugly. Now before you use this adjective, think twice because this is slightly harsh to use this adjective. So if you are totally aware while using it for someone or you are having a really friendly conversation, then only I'll suggest to use it. Okay? Because it's quite a harsh remark for someone while we use this adjective. Now, to be good looking. 잘생기다. 잘생기다. 잘생긴, 잘생겨요. 그 남자는 아주 잘생겨요. That man is very handsome. Alright, so in this video, we learned 20 essential Korean adjectives along with their modifier form and the informal present tense conjugated form. And also, we learned how to use these adjectives in Korean sentences in a very easy and smooth way. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.